Top 5 Best Label Maker for Home Organization. Number 5. Epson LabelWorks LW300 Label Maker. The Epson LabelWorks LW300 is a reliable label maker for all your home organization needs. It's known for its clear and professional quality labels. With a large, backlit display and QWERTY keyboard, creating labels is a breeze. The LabelWorks LW300 offers various tape styles, including iron-on labels and glow-in-the-dark labels, making it versatile for different purposes. It's perfect for those who want their home organization labels to be not only functional, but also visually appealing. Coming in number 4. Brother P-Touch Cube Plus PT-P710BT. If you're looking for a label maker that combines modern technology with portability, the Brother P-Touch Cube Plus PT-P710BT is a great option. This label maker connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, giving you access to a wide range of fonts, symbols, and templates. You can create labels with your mobile device and print them with ease. The compact size and battery-powered operation make it perfect for labeling items on the go or in various parts of your home. Coming in number 3. DYMO Label Printer. The DYMO Label Printer is another popular choice for home organization. It's a versatile label maker that allows you to print labels from your computer or smartphone. This feature is particularly handy when you need to create a large number of labels or want to design them with precision. The DYMO Label Printer also offers a variety of label sizes and styles to suit different labeling needs in your home, from file folders to storage bins. Coming in number 2. Brother P-Touch Label Maker. The Brother P-Touch Label Maker is a classic choice for home organization. It's known for its user-friendly interface and a wide selection of fonts and symbols. With the Brother P-Touch, you can quickly create labels for your pantry, files, and storage boxes. It also has various tape colors and styles, so you can add a personal touch to your labels. The label maker is compact and easy to carry around, ensuring you can organize any space in your home effortlessly. Coming in number 1. Brady BMP21 Plus KIT1 Printer Kit. The Brady BMP21 Plus KIT1 is a versatile label maker that's perfect for all your home organization needs. It comes with a robust design, rubber bumpers, and a backlit screen, making it easy to use in various conditions. This label maker is particularly known for its durability. It can withstand harsh environments, making it suitable for labeling items in your garage, shed, or outdoor storage. The BMP21 Plus KIT1 also has a wide range of label materials available, allowing you to create labels for different surfaces, from plastic to wires.